Hello students, welcome to my class, and in this session I will be explaining sum number 2 and sum number 3 of question number 2. Now in question number 2 we have a trinomial, that is 3 terms are there, and this trinomial will divide it with one monomial term is there. Okay, so see, I have written this question in this form. Okay, that is 3y to the power 8, see, minus 4 y to the power 6 plus 5 y to the power 4 divided by, so divided by can be written as y to the power 4 also. Okay, now there are two ways to do this. Okay, that is, individually you can divide this by this, this by this, and this by this. That is, this way you can do it. See, or you can take one common term and then you can cancel it out. Either way. So I'm just showing the other way. Let me see if you find it easy or not. So what is the first term out here? 3y to the power 8, isn't it? So 3y to the power 8 divided by y to the power 4. You see, what I'm doing is, see, there's a big line is there. What is the meaning of this? It means that y to the power 4 is common denominator of all the terms. Fine, that means this will also carry denominator as y to the power 4. This term will also carry denominator as y to the power 4. And this term will also carry denominator as y to the power 4. So I am writing the denominators in the individual format. So see, you can write this way also. Y to the power 4. Okay, you can write it in this way. Now we can solve individually. See, there is no number that we can reduce, but obviously this y and y are carrying the same base. So, and they are in the division form. So what we have to do? We have to subtract the powers. So 3y 8 minus 4. Then the second one, y there is no numbers is there, so 4. And this y and y is carrying the same base, so they are in division form, so 6 minus 4. And this one, y to the power 4, y to the power 4. If they are sharing the same thing, if the base is saying the same power, then you can cancel it. And remaining, what will remain is 5. Now what will be the answer of this? 3 y to the power 4. What is the answer of this? 4 y to the power 2 plus 5. So this is your required answer. Okay. So this is the solution of sum number 3 of question number 2. So let's move on to sum number 3 of question number 2. Yes, now question number 3 is 8 is outside the bracket, and inside the bracket there is x cube y square z square plus x square y cube z square plus x square y square z cube, bracket will be closed, and divided by what? 4x square y square z square. So again we are dividing the trinomial with one monomial term. So I've written this whole question in this format, students. See, in this way I've written. Now the first thing that you will do is that you will open the bracket, that is, you will multiply 8 with each and every term which is inside the bracket. Fine. That is, 8 will be multiplied with this term also, 8 will be multiplied with this term also, and 8 will be multiplied with this term also. So if I multiply it, it will look like, see, 8 into this is 8 x cube y square and z square. See, if I am multiplying this with this, the answer you will get like this. So there is a plus sign is there, so give a plus sign. Now again you multiply 8 with this term, so you will get as 8 x square y cube z square. Okay, see, if you multiply 8 with this, you will get this answer. Then again plus sign is there, you put a plus sign. Now what is the last thing that you have to do? You have to again multiply 8 with the last term. Okay, so the answer will be 8x square y square and z cube. And this whole thing will be divided by the denominator, that is 4x square y square and z square. So it is looking like this. Now again what we will do, as because this is a common denominator for all the terms, so we will make it an individual format. Okay, so how to write it down? 8x cube y square z square divided by 4x square y square z square, and again give plus sign. I hope you are understanding what I am doing. Now this divided by this, so 8x square y cube z square by 4x square y square z square. Then again I will be dividing this with this. So 8 x square y square z cube upon 4 x square y square z square. So this is how it is looking. You see, I've divided each term with the common denominator. So it's looking like this. Now individually you will do the division. Fine, that's monomial with monomial, monomial with monomial, monomial with monomial. Okay. Now we can easily reduce this 4 and 8, isn't it? So 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay. Now x square is there, x cube. Okay, fine. Y square, those are very similar. You can just straight away cancel it. Z square and z square. Is that absolutely the same? Now what is left? 2. And these two base are same, but they are not sharing the same power, so we cannot cancel it. So what we have to do? We have to subtract it. That is 3 minus 2. Now let's move on to the next one. Same thing. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. X square is there, x square is there. Same thing is there. So reduce it. Now this time y cube is there, y square. So we cannot cancel this. Z square, very similar. So cancel it out. So what will be remaining? So remaining amount is 2. And what is there? Y square. So we'll write y to the power 3 minus 2. Okay. Now let's move on to the last part of the sum. That is 8 by 4. Again we'll do the same treatment. That is 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. X square is same. Square is same. We'll reduce it. Y square is same. But this time Z is not sharing the same power. So we have to subtract it. So the answer is 2 Z 3 minus 2. Okay, so this is how it's looking. Now let's write the final answer. That is x 3 minus 2 is what? X only. Now 2 y and it will be 2 z. Okay, so this is your required answer of sum number 3. So this is how you will conclude it. There is another way. What you can do is that, as because all the 3 terms are carrying 2 as a factor, so you can take 2 as a common also. So if you take 2 as a common, what will remain inside the bracket? That is x plus y plus z. You can give this answer also. I think you should give this only. Okay, because the chapter name is Factorisation, so you should not leave your answer like this. You should give like this. So this is the solution of sum number 3. I hope everyone has understood sum number 2 and sum number 3 of question number 2. Thank you and God bless you all.